We are Brisbane's only chocolate maker in that we make our chocolate from scratch. We buy our beans, we roast them and we turn it into chocolate. My name is Truk. I'm one of the engineers that works at 17 Rocks Chocolate, a chocolate factory located in 17 Miles Rock. We have 16 different flavours for our chocolate bars, and we've got this range called 500 BC, which is a bit more of a rustic textured chocolate, and there's 4 flavours available. So we buy our beans from northern Papua New Guinea, where it's grown on fertile volcanic soil, and we do it through a co-op to support small local farmers there. When the beans come to our factory, we have to sort them and then roast them, which we do at a low temperature to minimise the degradation of the health benefits and nutrition of the cacao beans. Once they've been roasted, we take the shell off and then we collect the nib and grind that to make our delicious chocolate. One of the things that we specialise in is making custom chocolate bars. So we design and make chocolate molds in-house. So we have done some for corporates such as NAB, who we bank with, and some local businesses like Place Graceville and also Little Treads, who sell shoes. We also use the shell of the beans to make compost or fertiliser, and also in some body scrubs. So we really try to save as much of the cacao bean and not throw it away.